Hello everyone, welcome to Bing Lectures Learn SQL from Real Jobs. In this section, we are talking about slowly changing dimension in SSIS. The slowly changing dimension transformation supports 4 types of change: changing attribute, historical attribute, fixed attribute, and inferred member. Changing attribute changes override existing records. This kind of change is equivalent to a type 1 change. Historical attribute changes create new records instead of updating existing ones. This kind of change is equivalent to a type 2 change. Fixed attribute changes indicate the column value must not change. Inferred member indicates that the row is an inferred member record in the dimension table. In my real job, I had to update employee paycheck every month. I had an employee paycheck table and an employee paycheck update table. Our company rules, employee ID and employee name are fixed, couldn't be changed. Employee changing department is allowed directly. Employee rise and reduce salary must have historical recording. According those rules, I developed my ETL package for salary changing. Connect to our database. Then drag in a dataflow task. Double-click it. Drag in an OLEDB source. Connect to table employee paycheck update. Drag in a slowly changing dimension. Link them. Click it. Then the widget appears. Click Next. Choose Employee Paycheck as Dimension Table. Set Employee ID as Business Key. Others is not a key color. Click Next. Set Salary as Historical Attribute. Department name is changing attribute. Employee name is fixed attribute. Next. Uncheck. Fail the transformation in fixed attribute. Next. Use start and end dates. Start date is effective date. End date is expiration date. Variable set as system start time. Next. Finish. Then execute the package. We can see different attributes. Historical is yellow color. New input is green color. Changing is blue. No changing is red. Let's check the updated employee paycheck table. Good job! Let's learn SQL from real jobs. See you next course.